Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned Unit 3, Just Being Kind. Okay, children. What all you learnt in that? Wherever you want to ask sorry, please, excuse me, that and all we learnt there. Manners, good manners and all. So today, open your textbook, page number 29. Let us read now. Keep your finger. Okay, children, I will give you some difficult words also in this. Shall I start? Are you ready, children? Okay. Let us read. Ammu was 6 years old. She was very selfish. That is why she had no friends. One day, a new girl, Priya, came to class 1. Poor Priya, she found which subject? That day I read this lesson. Will you remember this? Priya found maths and Kannada difficult. She used to cry sometimes. Help her to learn, Ammu, said Ammu's mother. See, this is a classroom. Can you see this? Okay, I read this lesson last class. No, I won't, said Ammu. Priya is a crybaby. Ammu's mother said, all right, no swimming for you. Ammu loved to go to swimming pool. So she had to teach maths to Priya. When our mother told you teacher, she told I won't teach, she is a crybaby. But Ammu's mother, she gave one punishment that you should not go to swimming pool. So she had to teach maths to Priya. Soon Priya could do her homework easily. One day Ammu got angry and punished a boy. The teacher was not happy with her. Ammu had to stay back after school. She had to clean the board and make the class tidy. All alone. She cried and cried. That is how Priya saw her. She helped Ammu and the class was soon neat and clean. Because she helped her, so Ammu also helped. Thanks, Priya, said Ammu. Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. What did Priya teach Ammu? How to be kind. The two girls became the best friends. Okay, children, they became best friends. This one I read in the last class. And we did match the words by saying the meaning. Cry baby, I told you to mark everything in the book itself. And in which class did Ammu study? Which class she did study? Ammu studied in class 1, like you only children. Priya found 2 subjects hard. What were they? They were, Priya found maths and Kannada difficult. Why was the teacher not happy with Ammu? Teacher was not happy with Ammu because she pushed a boy. This also is sent children, don't worry. How did Priya help Ammu? Priya helped Ammu in learning her subjects. Priya helped Ammu in learning her subjects. And also Priya, what should help here? Priya taught Ammu how to be kind also. Okay children, they became best friends also. What did Priya teach Ammu? Priya taught Ammu to be kind. Okay. Here are some statements, that is page number 31 from this story. There are also some new statements. Write who says these words. In the box they are given Ammu. The box they are given Ammu, Priya, teacher and mother. These are the words they are given in the box. Okay children, this one we have to use this and make some words. I am new in this class. In the bracket they are given Priya said it. Second one, maths and Kannada are so hard. Who said this? It is Priya. First one, right. Priya. Priya said this, she had two subjects difficult. Help her to learn. Who said this? You have to select the word. Who said this? Teacher or mother? Very good. It is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Next, third one. She is a crybaby. Who said this? Very good. It is Ammu. Ammu said for Priya, no? Because she was crying. Next one. You must stay back and clean the class. Who said this? Mother or Priya or teacher? The teacher gave her punishment, no? Because she pushed on boy. So, the answer is teacher. Next one. Don't cry, I will help you. Who said? When she got the punishment, who helped her? This is Priya. So, Priya. Priya helped her. And the last one. Thank you for being kind to me. Who said this? Priya or Ammu? Very good, it is Ammu. Ammu said to Priya. Okay children, in this, by helping only they both became close friends. So only you have to help and be kind to each other. Look at the box below and circle the odd one out. What is the odd one in this? They are given 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Shout, to yell, scream, whisper. And always, often, never, many times. Laugh loudly, smile, speak loudly and cry out. Throw, hold, toss, filing. Clean, necessary, tidy and neat. Alone, single, together and by yourself. This one, I'll send this in photocopy. You can write it down in the notes. This one, board is very small. You can't write this children. I'll write it and send you. Okay, turn to page number 32. Complete these sentences about Ammu and Priya. Ammu was dash. What she was? Ammu was very selfish. Ammu was, she was very selfish in this lesson. Teacher said dash. Clean the board and make class tidy. What did the teacher say? Clean the board. Clean the board and make class tidy. Who said this? The teacher said this. Priya was dash, a crybaby. Priya was a she was a crybaby. Next one. Mother wanted dash, Ammu to help Priya. Mother wanted Ammu to help Priya because she was making maths and Kannada. Ammu and Priya are best friends. Ammu and Priya dash daily. They are best friends. Only answers are written. I'll send this also. Don't worry, children. Okay. In that one, next one. Discuss with your parents and pick 5 things that you want to do from the ideal box below. Idea box. Put the mark tick next to them. Now ask your parents to do the same for 5 other things. What is this idea box? Pick up waste paper and all the other letters. That is also correct. Speak softly in the class. Right or wrong? When my ma'am is not in the class, you will start shouting, no? If you shout, it is good or correct? Bad. It is bad. So speak always softly in the class. Water the plants. Put away books and toys. Wash dishes. Feed your pet. Say good morning to someone. Share your toys. Hug your grandparents. Greet your teachers. So in this box they are given few sentences. So you should ask your parents help and do which is correct and which is wrong. Next page number is 33. Pair words. Pair work. Put in the missing words to make some good rules. Always and never. They are given two words, that is always. A-L-W-A. Always. Never. These are the two words you have to use here. Never climb a wall. First one they are done for you. Dash. Walk on footpath. We should always, first one, always. A-L-W-A. Always you have to walk in the footpath. Otherwise accidents will be there. Dash frightened animals. We should not. When the animal is going to start is telling like that, no, for the dog and all, we should not frighten the animals. We should never. The second one, we should never frighten the animals. Dash close the gate behind you. Close the gate. We will always close the gate after you enter. Behind you. Always. Always you have to close the gate behind you. Dash drop sweet wrappers on spit on the road. Dropping sweet wrappers means after eating chocolate we will throw that there only after eating. That is wrappers of that, or spit on the road. It is good or bad? We should never do that. So answer is never. N-E-V-E-R. We should never spit on the road or throw after eating something. Okay, next one, what there is now? Write two more rules, one with never and other with always. See, this one all we did by using never. They are given to do two more. That is what we'll see now. Never. We should never push others, or we should never blame others. Always play in a park. We should not play in the road or in the house, inside the house. We should always play in the playground or in the park. Those two, it is left to you children. Use your this one and write two sentences on your own. Put these words in the alphabetical order starting with A. So they are given Veena, Ammu, Deepak, Froza, Chatty, Isha and Govind. So they are given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In that one, by this you have to select. First one, that is Veena, that I will send you for you. Second one, Catty, Deepak, Isha, Rosa and Govind. So first letter is B, C and D, E, F and G. So that is in the alphabetical order. You have to write this. By these words they are given in the box. They are not given an order. You have to select from which is A, this is B, after C it is D, then E, F and G. So that is in the order we have to write that. That is no place here. I write A, B, C, D, E, F and G. In the alphabetical order you have to write the names. Okay children? I will send you all this question answers, meanings and difficult words I told you I will give you, but I will write and send the sentences, question answers and new types children, so that you can do it in the copy down in your 4 lines notes book. Bye children. See you in the next class.